Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing fine. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Linktree URL so you will know what URL you want to keep on your Linktree as you want, also known as your username link. So let's get started without any further delay. Simply open your Linktree app on the device and make sure you are logged in into your account. As you can see, I am already logged in my account. After that, you can simply click on the more option at the bottom of your page, and when this type of interface comes up, you can toggle this on to turn on dark mode or simply turn it off, and simply go to my information option, and when you see this kind of interface, you will see your username right here. Simply click on the three dots on your username, and on the bottom of your page you will see change username, and as you can see, a pop-up will come up saying changing your username will also change your QR code, so you can change your username from here. Once you hit save, your new URL is live instantly. Don't forget to update it anywhere you have shared your old Linktree link, and that's it. You have successfully changed your Linktree URL. If this video helped you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.